Black Salt Amlana. The perfect drink on a hot summer day is a glass of amlana infused with tangy tamarind, sugar, cardamom and Tata Salt black salt. To start things off, pour on just a bit of water and sprinkle some sugar over the tamarind. Then get to the grind, pounding down on the mixture and releasing the savoury flavours of the tamarind. Rest assured, a little hard work now will pay off later. Strain the resulting blend through a muslin cloth and let it drop ever so slowly into a glass. Next, a hint of spice, a little black pepper, and toss in a little cardamom to surprise the palate. Of course, no summer delight is complete without an extra tinge of tang that only a spoonful of Tata Salt black salt can provide. Finally, add some ice cubes and then drink up.